Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to set up the password configuration. Those are a specific set of attributes that need to be satisfied for both generated and manually created passwords. Navigate to System Settings and then to Password Configuration tab. Define the minimum password length, number of uppercase and lowercase letters, the minimum number of digits, and special characters. Click the Confirm button to save the configuration. Now, all generated passwords will satisfy these criteria. Also, if users create their password manually, the system will not allow them to save the password unless the criteria are satisfied. Note, you can always restore the configuration to the default by clicking this button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.